The final question on the retake review goes along with questions 15 and 16 from the unit test review and from lesson 4, example 3. And so I'm just going to do both because they kind of both show you different things. So the rational root theorem and the imaginary root theorem tell us that if I have an imaginary number, a plus bi, I have to also have its conjugate. So I have to have a plus or minus bi as roots. Same thing with radicals. So if I have a plus radical b, I also have to have minus. And so when I'm doing these problems, the additional zeros will be those values. So if I have a root that's just like a number, I'm really just ignoring it. That doesn't give me an additional answer, but anything with a radical or an I does. So if I have -2 plus radical 10, that means I have to also have -2 minus radical 10. So that's my additional zero. And then if I look at 16, same thing. So the first term has an I, so I want to write its conjugate as 3 minus 3i. And then the second one also has an I, or has a radical. And so that's conjugate 3 minus radical 10 must be a root. Okay, so I have to find the additionals first. So again, for 15, I ignored -5, 2, and -2 because they don't have an I or a radical. So don't write their conjugates down, then you're gonna miss points. But I am gonna use those to find the degree. And so the degree is just the number of zeros. So if I look at how many zeros I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that they give me, and then I found a fifth. So the degree here is 5. Okay, so my additional zero is this one, and my degree is 5. Those are my two answers. For 16, they gave me 2 zeros, and I found 2 more. And so my degree here is 4. Okay, so I have to find the conjugate zeros only for an I or a radical first, and then I count how many zeros I have to get the degree of the whole function.